It's often said that it's not so much about the destination as it is about the journey. Photographing Cape Cod after dark for all these years has been an incredible adventure, filled with moonlit harbors and stars racing over lighthouses. The Milky Way, spanning the national seashore. Snowy nights on main streets. And meeting some truly incredible people along the way. And every night, I took a lot of pictures.
My name is Tim Little. I'm Cape Cod's night photographer. I've spent thousands of nights over the last 12 years working on a project designed to help you experience the beauty of the Cape and Martha's Vineyard after dark. It's finally done. Now you can enjoy the images, the techniques, and the untold stories behind them from wherever you are. Introducing my new book, Midnight on Cape Cod.